managing mobile workflows, QA testing or scraping on the go. Here's how to set up IPRoyal Proxies on your Android device so you can stay efficient and in control. When your infrastructure extends to mobile, setting up proxies on Android isn't optional, it's an operational requirement. Proper proxy configuration ensures your mobile traffic behaves predictably, resolves from the correct location, and aligns with the conditions your system depends on. Whether you're working on localized QA testing, ad verification, mobile web scraping, multi-account operations, or any other workflow that relies on consistent location-aware traffic, a correct proxy setup is essential. Without it, you risk IP bans, region mismatches, or data inconsistencies that can break your operations. So let me show you how to set up a proxy on Android for both Wi-Fi and mobile networks so your traffic stays consistent, location accurate, and fully under control. While the exact steps may slightly vary depending on your device and Android version, the process is more or less the same. Just follow along on screen and your proxy will be up and running within minutes. Open the Settings app and choose Wi-Fi. Find the network you want to configure and tap the arrow icon next to it. Now scroll down to the Proxy section. Tap it and select the Manual option. This is where you add your proxy details or proxy hostname and pool, so let's switch to IPRoyal dashboard to get yours. We'll use high-end residential proxies from Illinois, United States with rotating IPs, but you can configure your proxy location, rotation, IP skipping, and more according to your needs. Copy the credentials, then head back to your Android. Paste your proxy hostname and port into the designated fields and tap the checkmark icon to save the settings. Now it's time to test your connection. Open a website in your browser and, if you're asked to sign in, enter your proxy username and password from the proxy dashboard into the appropriate fields. Don't forget to tap Sign In to establish a connection. You're now routing Android Wi-Fi traffic through a reliable proxy. Now let's see how to set up a proxy for your mobile data network. Open Settings and select Mobile Networks. Then choose your SIM card and tap Access Point Names. Now choose the APN you're currently using and add your proxy details. That's the proxy hostname, port, username, and password provided by your proxy provider. Visit your IPRoyal dashboard to configure your proxies. Once again, we'll use high-end residential proxies from Illinois, United States with rotating IPs. Copy your proxy details and paste them into the appropriate fields. Tap More and save your settings. Now toggle your mobile data off and back on and open a website in your browser to test your connection. You should see a pop-up window asking you to enter your proxy username and password. Once you're done, tap the Sign In button. But before you start using it, whether on Wi-Fi or mobile data, make sure you test it so you can confirm it's working correctly. You can easily do that by visiting the IPRoyal lookup page or any other IP checking website. If the IP location matches your proxy configuration, you're good to go. Reliable Android proxies aren't just a privacy layer, they're a critical part of any mobile-first operation. From clean session routing to region-based data collection, getting the setup right means fewer errors, better test coverage, and scalable traffic management. If your workflows depend on reliable Android proxies, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you design the best proxy architecture for your use case.